Giovanni here.
And Jaden.
And today we're going to make Haitian patties. I myself am Cuban, however my son is
Cuban and Haitian.
So, for the ingredients, we're going to use
green pepper, red pepper, onions, habanero pepper, egg for the egg wash, and chicken, and also olive oil.
We're going to use some vegetable oil also. We got some chicken bouillon. We got tomato sauce, some black pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, adobo, minced garlic, so sofrito, also a couple packets of sazon from Goya. It depends on how many chicken breasts you use. If you use more, then you'll probably use 2 packets. And also, just like with every Haitian cuisine, you have your epis. And also we have some flour. And for the dough, we're going to use this puff pastry. If you wish to do it by scratch, you go right ahead. I myself will be using this puff pastry. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is add some olive oil to the pan. Then we're going to go ahead, while that warms up a little bit, and add our veggies. We're going to go ahead and add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of garlic. And we're going to mix this all together. And we're going to cook this until the onions soften. All right, next we're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the epis. We're going to go ahead and mix that all up. It smells good. The epis is a staple for Haitian cuisine. I like incorporating my Cuban recipes with Haitian recipes. Call it cubation. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken. From there, we'll go ahead and add the tomato sauce. we'll add a couple tablespoons of sofrito. And we're gonna go ahead and mix that up. From there, we're gonna add onion powder, some adobo, garlic powder, the sazon, I saved some of the chicken broth, so when the chicken seems a little dry, you're gonna add a little bit more of chicken broth. Not too much. You don't want it to be too wet because then it'll go ahead and leak out of the dough. So let's mix that up right quick. Now I did add 1 packet of the sazon. I like the sazon because it brings a nice bright color to the chicken. Because I had 4 chicken breasts, I'm gonna add another packet. I'm gonna lower the temperature a little bit. Now here you'll go ahead and add the habanero pepper. I did not add it yet because I'm cooking this for my kids also, and the habanero pepper is really spicy. So I will add that later for me and the missus because we like spice in our life. It smells good, it's making me hungry. So we're gonna let that boil for a little bit to get the flavors infused into it. So we're gonna go ahead and cover it and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, the chicken is done. So let's go ahead and bring it to the counter so we can go ahead and start preparing the patties. All right, now to begin the filling for the Haitian patty, what we're gonna do is get our food processor. We're gonna go ahead and add some chicken. We're gonna cut up the habanero pepper or Scotch bonnet pepper and add it to there. Make sure if you don't use any gloves, you wash your hands after touching that pepper because it's really hot. We're gonna add some epis. About a tablespoon. And we're gonna go ahead and mix that up together. Push it down. If you want, you can add a little bit of the chicken broth that we had earlier if you feel like it's too thick. You don't want it to be too wet either. You want to make it like some sort of paste when you go ahead and prepare it. So you want to make sure you get this consistency so we could go ahead and start preparing the patty. Alright, so now we're going to start preparing the Haitian patty. So we have here already the mixture we made with the Scotch bonnet habanero pepper. My kids are not going to eat it spicy, so I do have some chicken without the pepper in it so we can prepare for them. So let's begin. Alright, here is your dough for your patty. So you have 3 rows. You're going to go ahead and start cutting off one of the rows. Move that out. I stretch it out a little bit so I could get some more. So I could try to get about 3. Depending on what size you want, you could do 2 of them or 1 giant one. But we love these patties, so the more the merrier. Alright, then we're going to go cut it into 3. There's no signs to it. They'll probably be different shapes and sizes. No biggie. Still tastes delicious. Alright, so we have 3 patties right here, so we could go ahead and start beginning stuffing. So we're going to go ahead and stuff it with the spicy one first. So you just need to take 1 tablespoon of the filling, and you just add it right there in the middle. Okay? Then you get your egg wash. You're going to egg wash the sides so they can seal. You're going to go ahead and wrap it, seal the sides, and then wrap the edge also. Here, Jenny, you could go ahead and do that with the non-spicy one.
Okay.
Okay, egg wash. Brush the edge. There you go. Alright, cool. I'm going to go ahead and seal it up. Oh, no. You don't want chicken to show. You want to make sure everything's inside. Then you're going to roll it up one more time to close that flap. And then make sure the edges right here like this is sealed, because you don't want the juices or any of that to come out.
All
right. All right, you're going to do that with all the others, and then you're going to put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just make sure you go ahead and you brush the egg wash on top of it. And then you just put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then let's put it in the oven and we'll see how it comes out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification button so you never miss a video.
And if you have any comments or requests, just leave a comment below. Please follow me on IG, Giovanni_24fit. Enjoy.
Bye.